Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android's car crash detection feature. First, you need to add an emergency contact. Open the Settings app, go to Safety and Emergency, and tap Emergency Contacts. Then, select Add Contact. Choose a contact from your contact list and go back to the Safety and Emergency screen. Tap Emergency Location Service, then activate the slider. Return to Safety and Emergency screen once more and tap Emergency Contacts. If you've already added an emergency contact, no further action is needed. To add another, select Add Contact. Then, choose a contact from the Contacts app. Finally, to activate car crash detection, go to the Safety and Emergency screen. Then, tap Car Crash Detection. Select the Car Crash Detection slider, then select OK. If you choose to alert an emergency contact when you've been in accident, scroll down and tap the Emergency Sharing slider. Going forward, if you are in a car accident, your select emergency contacts will be alerted along with emergency personnel. Though it's not necessary to set up car crash detection, consider setting up all of the safety and emergency features on your Pixel phone. This will allow emergency personnel to have key medical information on your Pixel phone during an emergency. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another video.